Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera semua. Apa khabar? Today we will learn about family. Family in Malay means keluarga. Keluarga. Before we proceed with the lesson, don't forget to help me to grow the channel by doing the following. Terima kasih banyak-banyak. As a reminder, the sentences given in this lesson are conversational. Keluarga, keluarga, family. Salasilah, salasilah, genealogy. Pokok, pokok, tree. Salasilah keluarga, salasilah keluarga, family tree. We have a family here as an example. Keluarga Encik Ali. Keluarga Encik Ali. Mr. Ali's family. The first family member for us to know is ayah. Ayah or bapa. Bapa means father. When we want to ask the relation of a person to another person, we ask like so. Apa hubungan Abu dengan Ali? Apa hubungan Abu dengan Ali? What is the relation between Abu and Ali? Hubungan. Hubungan means relation. And the answer, Abu ayah Ali. Abu ayah Ali. Abu is Ali's father. Grammatically in Malay, we use ialah or adalah as a to be verb for is or are. But we never use this colloquially. Ialah or adalah is normally used in literary or formal conversation, but not in familiar conversation. Moving forward, only colloquial formats will be used. Instead of ayah, we may substitute with bapa. Abu bapa Ali. Abu bapa Ali. Abu is Ali's father. Some people add the letter K to the word bapa colloquially, for example, Abu bapa Ali. Abu bapa Ali. Abu is Ali's father. Next family member is Ibu. Ibu or emak. Emak, mother. Apa hubungan Siti dengan Ros? Apa hubungan Siti dengan Ros? What is the relation between Siti and Ros? Siti ibu Ros. Siti ibu Ros. Siti is Ros's mother. We may substitute ibu to emak as this example. Siti emak Ros. Siti emak Ros. Siti is Rose's mother. Next family member is Atuk. Atuk or Datuk. Datuk, grandfather. Abu Atuk Mas. Abu Atuk Mas. Abu is Mas's grandfather. Or Abu Datuk Mas. Abu Datuk Mas. To mean the same, Abu is Mas's grandfather. Next family member is Nenek. Nenek, grandmother. Siti Nenek Upen. Siti Nenek Upen. Siti is Upen's grandmother. Next family member, Pak Cik. Pak Cik, uncle. Ali Pak Cik Lan. Ali, Pak Cik Lan. Ali is Lan's uncle. Next is Mak Cik. Mak Cik, aunt. Rose, Mak Cik Rina. Rose, Mak Cik Rina. Rose is Rina's aunt. Next is Suami. Suami, husband. Abu suami Siti. Abu suami Siti. Abu is Siti's husband. Next is isteri. Istri, wife. Ana istri Ali. Ana istri Ali. Ana is Ali's wife. Next is adik-beradik. Adik-beradik, siblings. Rose dengan Ali adik-beradik. Rose dengan Ali adik-beradik. Rose and Ali are siblings. Next is adik lelaki. Adik lelaki, younger brother. Ali adik lelaki Rose. Ali adik lelaki Rose. Ali is Rose's younger brother. Next is adik perempuan. Adik perempuan, younger sister. Mas adik perempuan Umi. Mas adik perempuan Umi. Mas is Umi's younger sister. Next is kakak. Kakak, older sister. Rose kakak Ali. Rose kakak Ali. Rose is Ali's older sister. Next is abang. Abang, older brother. Lan, abang Umi. Lan, abang Umi. Lan is Umi's older brother. The next member is sepupu. Sepupu, cousin. Lan dengan Upin sepupu. Lan dengan Upin sepupu. Lan and Upin are cousins. Next is anak lelaki. Anak lelaki, son. Ipin anak lelaki Ana. Ipin anak lelaki Ana. Ipin is Ana's son. Next is anak perempuan. Anak perempuan, daughter. Rina anak perempuan Ali. Rina anak perempuan Ali. Rina is Ali's daughter. Next is anak saudara perempuan. Anak saudara perempuan, niece. Colloquially, we say saudara as sedara. Sedara, anak sedara perempuan. Anak sedara perempuan. Mas, anak sedara perempuan Ali. Or Mas, anak saudara perempuan Ali. Mas is Ali's niece. Next is anak saudara lelaki. Anak saudara lelaki, nephew. Upin anak saudara lelaki Bob. Or Upin anak saudara lelaki Bob. Upin is Bob's nephew. Next family member is Ipa. Ipa, in-law. To be specific in gender and rank, adik ipar lelaki. Adik ipar lelaki, younger brother-in-law. Adik ipar perempuan. Adik ipar perempuan, younger sister-in-law. Abang ipar. Abang ipar, older brother-in-law. Kakak ipar. Kakak ipar, older sister-in-law. Let's see them in sample sentences. Bob, abang ipar Ali. Bob, abang ipar Ali. Bob is Ali's older brother-in-law. This is because Rose is Ali's older sister. So naturally, Bob is higher in rank and is treated as abang ipar, older brother-in-law. And that makes Ali adik ipar lelaki Bob. Ali adik ipar lelaki Bob. Ali is Bob's younger brother-in-law. Let's look at the ladies. Rose kakak ipar Anna. Rose kakak ipar Anna. Rose is Anna's older sister-in-law. And now Anna's rank is Anna adik ipar perempuan Rose. Anna adik ipar perempuan Rose. Anna is Rose's younger sister-in-law. And the last family member for us to know, although they are more actually, is cucu lelaki. Cucu lelaki, grandson. Cucu perempuan, granddaughter. Cucu-cucu, grandsons and granddaughters. Let's look at the examples. Lan cucu lelaki Siti. Lan cucu lelaki Siti. Lan is Siti's grandson. Rina, cucu perempuan Abu. Rina, cucu perempuan Abu. Rina is Abu's granddaughter. Here is the summary of today's lesson. Well, we have reached the end of today's lesson. For those of you who are interested to be fluent in Malay, I recommend that you book a personal Malay class with me to improve your fluency. You can book the class through this link here. Well, until next time, terima kasih dan sampai jumpa lagi.